Alright, this is another video for 3VT about exercise 29 from the general revision. It says a sliding door is installed in a 3.6 meter high facade. The sliding door consists of two parts, a fixed part with an area of 16 square meters, we can see that here, that's this part, and there's a sliding part, this part, that slides open, and then it has a width of x and a length of x, because it's a square here. The total width of the sliding door is 10 here, as you can see. We'll calculate the height of the sliding door by solving an equation. Let the height of the door be x, so this here is x. Okay, so if let me see what we know. If I make the picture here also, right? Here we have the window and the sliding door. Well, this is x and this is x. This whole length is 10. That means the length from here to there is 10 minus x, right? And we know that this area is 16 square meters. So we're just going to take a look at this rectangle over here, right? If you do the length times the width, you get 16. Well, the length is 10 minus x and the width is x. So apparently, if you do x times 10 minus x, the width times the length, you get 16. So I mean, this question is, or this picture is a bit difficult because you also have the 3.6 here that you don't actually need. And you have this part that you actually also don't need. We only need like the middle part with the 16, and that's what we use to make an equation. Right? We just say this length times that length is 16. And then we solve that. So here we have 10x minus x squared equals 16. And I want to have everything on the left side. And I'm also going to swap these two numbers, because then it looks a bit better. If I want to solve this, I don't want to have minus x squared, I just want to have x squared. So everything that's negative becomes positive, and everything that's positive becomes negative, so like this. And then we're going to solve this. Let's see if we can do that. And I'm going to use the product sum method. Because if you do 2 times 8, you get 16, and if you add 2 and 8, you get 10. But both of them should be negative. So you have x minus 2 and x minus 8. That means that one of the solutions is x minus 2 is 0. That means that x equals 2. And the other solution is x equals 8. Now 8 is a bit too big. Actually, I'll tell you what happens if x is 8. But I think this is the answer here. And it says calculate the height of the sliding door. So the height is 2 meters, right? If you, because if you fill in 2 here, then this length over here is 2. So that means you have 8 meters left. So if you use x is 8, then this is actually 8. So what happens is that the sliding door will actually be on the other side then, because then here you have a square. But the height stays the same. Well, the height cannot be 8 meters because that's taller than the entire building. So the height should be 2. That's why that is our answer. So this was exercise 29. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.